like actually scared of this shit right now.
I'm scared of the shit. Well, you're gonna be scared of the puke too. Oh, look at that.
Oh shit!
Up. Up. Nope.
He got me, guys.
You're done.
Welcome.
You're done.
You're so fucked.
Alright, Miles, we're closing in on 9 minutes in.
Yep.
Incredible
He's done.
speed. He's doing incredible speed. Bless the fun.
Well, you may not be getting an A in milk drinking, but it's definitely not an F. Maybe a D minus.
Vitamin D minus.
Exactly.
Oh my god, you already finished it all?
Oh,
No,
man.
I haven't.
Dude,
Okay.
I'm trying not to throw up.
Oh my
you're
god.
demolishing that fucking milk.
I'm trying not to throw up right now.
You're going to. It's assured. Oh, fucking evil AJ's here. Awesome. AJ always shows up to take part in our suffering and fucking... Oh, man. Uh-oh. The fist...
AJ, you
I'm
get
always
an
a
A.
kid about that kind of shit.
The sideways fist to the mouth. You know what that means? That is the universal fucking gesture for I'm gonna fucking throw up.
I'm like shaking right now. I don't know why.
Hurry up and finish off the milk before you puke. You can do it. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, he's like
There better be,
praying.
like some
He's
form of
praying.
donation
Yeah.
after all this crap.
Donate to the shit. Yeah. Yeah, Miles. I definitely. Uh-oh. Now he's going to the forearm. His mouth is checking what time it is.
It's Vader time.
It's Vader time. Oh shit. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. AJ loves this shit.
Incoming! Take cover!
Oh god. Oh god. Oh no.
Oh,
It's
no.
all downhill from here.
Oh, it's down.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
He's gonna puke. He's gonna puke. He's gonna puke.
I probably will puke next jump scare.
You have the power.
You are officially 13 minutes and 30 seconds into the challenge. Don't yell, that's gonna make you throw up quicker.
I'm not experienced with Five Nights at Freddy's.
You can do it. I got an idea. You can try to cheat by like turning your head up towards the sky. That'll make it so you can't puke. Or
No, I'm not
maybe...
doing that.
Or you'll puke all over your face.
Oh god.
That's...
Dude, it's impending. Oh my god. He's going for the milk, a fucking champion.
Insane,
Like a
dude.
trooper, dude. Oh, he's gonna put it up. Yup, here he goes. Do it, Miles.
Jump,
Oh, it's sideways fist again.
Guys, I have one. I have Miles. I have the prep.
Sorry if I'm not really playing Five Nights. I'm just trying to make sure I don't throw up.
Oh, it's more about the goddamn milk than it is about 5 nights. It's gonna be 5 nights on the toilet.
More like 5 nights in front of the trash can.
I'm sorry.
Well, at least we know that fast luck will come to end your night.
Oh man, this guy's night's gonna be ended with a lot of puke.
For some reason, my body is shaking. I think it's too much milk.
Because your body isn't ready.
Your body isn't Freddy.
I'm gonna give it a tiny little rest.
Oh, we got what? 45 minutes left?
Go for it. Oh shit, there he goes. Yeah. We got 69 people watching. 70. Damn it.
Oh.
You can do it,
Which
Miles.
2.5.
Do whatever you want. I got a game for you. It's called Drink the Milk.
It's called Don't Try. I'm trying not to throw up.
Bet.
What?
Here, guys, we're gonna do this.
You're gonna do what?
You guys
Alright,
know
I'm
that
back.
I'm having glitches, but we're gonna do something actually interesting.
You can do it.
I haven't
Yo,
played this
get
game
going!
much, but I mean, it'll be fun to play again.
Well, you can
Did you
fucking...
finish? Did you finish the milk yet?
Not yet, no. I'm getting close though. Okay, here we go.
Miles, it says your camera has been lost.
Is it really? Mine doesn't say that at all.
I can
It
see it on the
says
screen.
camera is not available.
What?
Yeah, it
Yeah.
says that.
It's shot.
I'm gonna restart the
Uh-oh.
broadcast. I'm gonna restart the broadcast.
Secret jug, it's a scam.
No, I'm not touching it.
It's a scam.
Tell them I'm gonna restart it, okay?
Alright, they can
He's
hear
gonna
you now.
restart it.
Yeah, he's
He's
gonna
gonna
restart it.
Yeah, he's gonna restart it. And
He's gonna restart it, guys. Perfect.
Okay, it's back. It's back.
So, secret jug.
The jug's right here.
Miles, would you do the viewers a favor? Would you point your webcam down to the floor around you so that people can see that you don't have any kind of shenanigans?
Sure, well my floor's a mess, but okay.
Alright, we're gonna see panties
You're
and
gonna see the
everything
floor,
else.
which is gonna be white fucking puke all
Be
over.
women's panties on the floor.
No, it's just trash.
Don't talk poorly about these women. They're nice.
Oh man, you're a fucking nerd.
My
They were
room
kind
is
enough
just a
to leave their
mess.
soiled undergarments. You should appreciate it.
Just like right in front of you, so that people know there's no secret fucking jug or anything like
Dude,
that.
there can't be. This is the same one I've been marking. I'm not stupid, Fred. I'm not.
No, I'm just saying for the people at home so that they know that there's no secret shenanigans.
There isn't any
Perfect.
Fair enough.
secret shenanigans.
Thank you, Miles. That will fucking tell everyone that there's no shenanigans. Perfect.
Well, but I'm gonna do something actually pretty different. So I'm not gonna be like all those other guys that streams PC games.
Fucking
I'm
sugar.
100% real.
There we go.
Oh shit, tacos.
There it goes, kids!
You could back up in the gallon and drink it again.
Yeah, it's sinister.
My worst
No.
enemy.
Sideways fist and burping. No, this is not good.
The camera's been
Oh,
turned
boy.
too.
We are reaching critical mass.
He's gonna blow!
Or critical.
Oh shit. Uh-ohs.
Oh,
Uh-ohs. You can do it, Miles. Come on, man.
come on. Hold it.
You can do it, Miles.
That doesn't sound
Oh,
good.
wait, what?
Is that it? He looks like he's gonna die.
Turn the camera. What's going on?
I'm about to barf. That's why.
No, don't turn
no,
the camera.
no.
Do an odd
I put it
camera.
back. I put it back.
Yeah.
I
We
put it
need to
back.
know for
Alright.
sure. What are we even looking at? What the fuck is that?
The floor?
It's like a Templar. It looks like a Templar logo. Miles is a
back.
fucking Templar.
Fight it back.
That's his fucking Templar robe. I can see the red cross.
Fight it
Miles
back.
is a Templar confirmed.
Asphyxiation.
Oh sure, Fred. I'll get asphyxiated from a bag that's super big.
Have you ever seen?
Miles.
Yes, you can.
It can happen.
Yes, you can.
Here, let me do this.
Oh, look, it's I Love Bender himself. The man of the hour, the distinguished guest of honor. Thank you, I Love Bender. Everyone in the chat, please give I Love Bender his kudos and appreciation for how vital he's been to this drive. Thank you, Mr. Tyler. You've made... Uh-oh. He's getting real comfortable with that bag.
Where'd it go?
Wait, where'd the
No.
camera go? No!
The camera failed. No.
No! No!
Did you
Okay.
just puke in the bag already?
No, I haven't. I fixed
Well,
the
you
camera, by
just
the way.
puke in the bag already.
Hold it. You
Are
can't
you
mark
selling
that.
Hold it in.
Oh, I can hear him. I can hear the.
You
the
can do
gurgle.
it, Miles.
I'm
No,
not
the
barfing
camera.
yet. I fixed it.
No, it's not fixed yet.
It's a
Black boss.
It's a fucking black screen, dude.
What a casual.
Oh,
Just
my
wait.
There we
God.
go. Fixed.
I like how he blew it up too. This is the main event.
There it is. All right.
Alright.
Back.
Finish it. Finish it.
Yep.
Oh gosh, I have to look up at the ceiling right now.
Yeah, I told you you'd do it.
Yeah, look at that
Oh,
light.
it's about to happen. I know it is.
I know what the fuck.
Oh god.
It's about to happen. It's Miles' last words on his tombstone. It's about to happen. I know it. It's about to happen. You can do it, Miles.
Oh my god.
It's about to happen. Someone needs to make a gravestone with that now.
SOKast, go do that. Please.
Someone needs to.
Oh gosh.
Oh shit.
God, Bill, God,
Give me.
Oh, God.
Dang it, AJ.
I'm trying to enjoy a nice Snickers ice cream bar too, and here we go with the fucking.
You served the subjugate for the day.
I should not thrown up yet.
Oh!
There it
Oh.
and get strong. Drink the milk, feed the world, and get strong. Mr. Postman, send it to me. A copy of the Bible, with the Bible to get stronger. Can't read anymore. Shubby shubba, shubby shubba, wee. Shubby shubba, shubby shubba, wee. Shubby shubba, shubby shubba, wee. Shubby shubba, shubby shubba. Milk. Drink the milk.
The whole fucking gallon. Alright, I'm gonna stop the time, just in case. Good God. You alright, man?
Someone said I'll drink it up again.
He lasted almost 40 minutes.
Give him a round of applause for that.
Oh God, look at his chin. Oh God! Oh my God!
Dear Lord.
Dude, you've got like a fucking... Dude, you had a milk goatee.